Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.
What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to quickly talk about this one move that will transform your trading forever. All right, one move. So whether you day trade, swing trade, position trade, no matter what it is, this move is going to change your life. All right. What is this move? All right. So it's the 9 MA crossing the 20 MA, the 9-20 crossover. All right. And I'm going to knock off all my other EMAs and just pretty much show you the 9 and the 20. So the 9 MA is this pink line and the 20 MA is the yellow line. Okay. So when we're looking at charts, when we get a 9 MA crossing above the 20 MA with a very nice bullish bar, it is one major piece of confluence of what's called a market structure shift. What does that mean? It means that usually if they cross, that means that something else was happening. So it looks like the stock was coming down. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Nvidia was coming down, okay? And then it kind of went sideways for a while. And then it went from coming down to now going up. That's a market structure shift, shifting from going down to going up. How do we know that shift is going to happen? Usually that 9 MA crossing the 20 MA is a very good indicator of that happening. And we'll need a pretty good solid bar showing that that's going to happen. And usually you want to see, for additional confluence, you can wait for a breakout as well. So we not only got that 9 MA crossing the 20, we also got a break of structure from this previous low, taking out that low with a nice bull bar moving to the upside. And your entry would be on the formation of the next bar after the bar that crosses that 9 MA crossing the 20. Okay, so that would be your entry there. And then you pretty much can leave your trade in to previous highs or to your targets or to your whatever you like. Okay, I'm not going to discuss targets in this video, just discussing a major indicator of a market structure shift. So as I mentioned previously, so here we were going from going up, then all of a sudden we get this downward move. The 9 MA, the pink line, crossed below the 20 MA. And not only that, but we took out this previous structure here, which is pretty good confirmation for a downside move. And again, your entry would be on the next bar. So your entry would be here. Okay, the 9 MA crossing that 20, we got a huge downside move. All right, and this is on the 5-minute time frame. And you might be like, oh, well, okay, cool, 5-minute time frame, whatever. That's a small time frame. That's day trading. All right, well, let's take a look at this on the daily. You want to put on a position, you want to put on a swing trade. Let's take a look at this bad boy on the daily. All right, so every time we get that pink line crossing above the yellow line, you can put on a swing trade. So we cross here, you get in your position here, and then you get a pretty big move to the upside and you set your targets, okay? And then over here, we get that downside crossover move and we get a pretty big move to the downside. And this has worked pretty much, this works pretty much every single time, all right? Putting on these swing trades, 9-20 crossover, put on your position. We do get a pullback here, but then we end up coming right back to the upside and just absolutely flying. As long as that 9 stays above the 20, you can pretty much hang on to your trade, and you can do your exit once the 9 crosses back below the 20, or once you hit your targets. Okay. And the 9-20 crossover, it works really well. It works even better on upside moves. So because people, when it comes to investing, a lot of people just know how to buy. They don't know how to short stuff or how to go short, how to buy puts. They don't understand that stuff. So it works really well on these upside moves. So when we get the 9 MA crossing above the 20, you just put on your position and then just ride the move all the way up until, like I said, until we get that 9 MA crossing back below the 20, or until we hit your certain targets. And usually you'll get hundreds and hundreds of percent if you're trading swing options, so swing calls. But if you're just trading the stock itself, you can target pretty big moves as well. Okay, so that 9 MA crossing the 20, it works on the daily time frame, the 2-hour time frame, every time frame. It pretty much works on every single time frame. Okay, especially during day trades. So for my day trades, you saw what I did using, let me go back to the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. All right, so on the 5-minute time frame, I pretty much am just like looking for things like this. So let's go most recently to what happened on Friday. No, this was Friday, wasn't it? Yeah, here. So this is Friday here. And even there. And then this was Thursday. So pretty much on this move, saw the 920 crossover. We broke above this previous high here. Enter here and then just go long. And like I said, you can just wait until the 9 crosses back below the 20 before you exit. And it took quite a while before that 9 crossed back below the 20. Okay, pretty big move to the upside here. All right, so the 920 crossover, that's like literally one of my top moves. I look for that. I look for breakouts, breakout structures, and then I also look for the volume RSI, which is my momentum indicator, to show me that we are going to get a big move up or a big move down. All right, so hopefully this helps somebody out there to get better trades, because I'm telling you that 920 crossover, if you're looking for an indicator, that's a good indicator. All right, but it's your boy, Mr. Fit to